This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Screen wash. Remove the lid and attached tube. Fit a funnel into the neck and add a suitable concentration of screen wash, filling the reservoir until the level approaches the filler neck. Do not use engine antifreeze, which will damage the car's paint. Refit the lid using the attached tube to check the screen wash fluid level. Make sure the lid is firmly attached when finished.